What's up? How are you all feeling today? I trust you are well. After completing day 4 of the 100 Days of Code course, it's time to put what I've learned into practice. So in this video, I'm going to be writing a short Python code to determine how much amount of money you could be winning. Here is a little story that inspired me to write this code. I'm sure you are very much familiar with this radio station if you live in England. Every morning, we listen to Heart London radio station while on our way for school drop-off. And for January, this new year, the radio station will guarantee that one person will win £22,000 before 4 p.m. every single weekday. The mechanics of the contest, or game, or whatever you want to call it is simple. When you hear, you are listening for the January Jackpot song between 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. weekdays on Heart. You need to text the word WIN, W-I-N, and the name of the artist to 82122. Then Heart London radio station will randomly select someone to come on air. And if that is you, they will tell you exactly how much money you've won. It could be an incredible £22,000. If you're lucky to be the one who could take home that massive £22,000 tax-free, it would definitely change your mood. You could use the prize money for house improvement, or it could be a down payment for your dream house, or buy a new car, etc. Without further ado, let me jump now into my coding workspace and start writing the code. Let's start by writing some print statements as welcome messages. So something like, "Welcome to January Jackpot song, Heart London radio station game." Then followed by, "Thank you for your entries, and you know what? The next line, "You have been randomly chosen today to win." Next, let's create two variables for minimum price and maximum price as an integer, and let's say 1000 for the minimum price, and for the maximum price as an integer of 22,000. Then followed by importing the random module. So we'll type import random. We can generate the random integer by using the random.randint function. The drawn price variable that we've just created will return a random number between the set minimum price and the maximum price. Next, let's create a print statement using the fstring method. Then let's run the code and find out how much the drawn price could be. Oops, there's an error with the spelling of random. Keep an eye on those warnings on the line numbers. They will disappear when you fix the issue. Let's run it again, and as you can see, it generated a random number but I want it to be rounded to the nearest thousand. How do we do that? Let us insert a function called round. Comma here, then 1 for the nearest 10, 2 for the nearest 100, oh sorry, it should be minus 1 for the nearest 10, minus 2 for the nearest 100, and minus 3 for the nearest 1000, then close parenthesis. Let's give it a final test, and as you can see, the drawn prize amount is now rounded to the nearest thousands. I hope you find this video interesting, and if you do, please consider hitting that like button and share this video with your contacts. One more thing, if you can still see that red subscribe button, that means you are not subscribed yet to Allscan12 YouTube channel. Hitting that subscribe button will mean a lot to me. Don't forget also to hit the notification bell so you will be notified of my future video uploads. Have a great day and thank you for watching. Cheers!